So I have two pieces of Velcro cut roughly about the same distance and length. And you notice Velcro has two parts to it. We have the softer part, which we call the female side, and we have the rougher side, which we call the male side. So I've cut two of each, and what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of line them up, and we're going to sew them together. But you want to make sure they're sewn together so they don't come apart, and you grab both sides of the Velcro. So I'm going to slide my machine over here. Okay, I have set my sewing machine on a very wide zigzag, and you're just going to, if you notice on your Velcro, you got these two edges where you don't have any of the Velcro material. So what we're going to do is just butt those up together. Don't overlap them, but just line them up right beside each other. And you're going to sew a zigzag over the two pieces. So I'm down to the end of the Velcro on the male side, and you're just going to back stitch a couple times to lock it in place. And there you have a wider piece of Velcro that's been zigzagged together, and now your 1-inch Velcro has become a 2-inch Velcro. And if you needed it even wider, you could take two 2-piece inches and put them together, and your 2 would become 4. You can make it as wide as you want. Now that was the male side. You're going to do the same thing with the female side that you did with the male side. Back stitch and then sew forward. And now you're just going to clip your threads, and if your ends are not quite straight, you can always just cut them off and make them even. Same thing on the other end. Just cut it and make it even. And now that you have your male side and your female side, now you're ready to attach it to your project. And there you have one wide piece of Velcro. Instead of purchasing a large one, you just made your own.